boys and girls, and welcome to our first activity of our All About Me Day. Now, I hope for this activity you are all ready to get up close and personal with your own face, because for our first activity today, boys and girls, we are going to be drawing a picture of our own faces using a mirror. So, once we have our paper and our pens and pencils, we are going to go up to our mirror and get up close and personal, because using that mirror you are going to draw a picture of your own face. But don't worry, I'll be there doing it all along with you. So I better go get my mirror. Okay boys and girls, so just to let you see, this is what my face looks like in the mirror. Okay, so this is what I'll be using to draw off of. Okay boys and girls, so I have my mirror all set up, I have my paper ready to go, and I have all my coloured pens and pencils. So we are going to get started. Now the first thing I am going to draw is my hair, because it covers the shape of my face a little bit. So I'm going to use my brown pen because I have brown hair, and I'm going to draw my hair. Wish me luck. Okay. So we're starting off with our hair, boys and girls. So make sure you keep looking in the mirror. Yeah. And my hair is very long. Okay, so I need to draw a lot of it. My hair, but don't worry, we'll come back and we'll neaten everything up as we go. This is just to get the shape, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so next thing I'm going to draw is my face shape. So I'm actually going to use my black pen to do the outline of my face. Okay, so obviously my hair covers up the top part of my face, so I'm just going to do the chin. I'm going to come down from where my hair gets out of my way and I can see my chin. So remember to keep looking in your mirror. Okay, so that's my chin that I've drawn in there. Yeah? Okay. Right, next part. What am I going to do next, boys and girls? I think eyebrows up here. I think it's the eyebrows. So I'm going to go back to my brown pen because my eyebrows are brown, just like my hair. I'm gonna just pop them on using my mirror. So that's me got one eyebrow. Time for my other eyebrow. Okay, so that is what I've got so far, boys and girls. My hair and my eyebrows and my chin. So I'm gonna move on and do my nose next. So keep looking in your mirror. I'm gonna use my black pen again for my nose. Looking in the mirror to get that shape right. Alrighty, and that is my nose. Okay, so I think next thing I'm going to do is my mouth. So I've got red lipstick on today, so I'm going to use a red pen to do my lips, but you can use any colour you want. Okay, so remember, keep looking at yourself in the mirror. I'm going to use my black pen just to get my wee line in the middle. Okay. Okay, and that is my lips drawn. I'm just going to colour them in for my lipstick. So that's the shape. and I'm going to colour them in. Okay, still looking at myself in the mirror, remember, because we are drawing our faces. Okay, boys and girls, so next thing I'm going to do is my eyes. Alrighty, so I'll start off with the black pen, I think, and then I'll do the colour of my pupils after that. So I've got brown eyes, so I'll be using my brown pen. And remember, we've all got eyelashes as well, boys and girls. We want to add our eyelashes on, don't we? And then I'll get my pupil in there as well, the big circle in her eyes. So that's one eye. I've not coloured it in yet, obviously. And we're going to do the next eye, just the same. So looking at yourself in the mirror. Okay, I'm going to colour in my brown eyes now. And you can do your coloured eyes, whatever coloured eyes you have, you go for it. Okay, boys and girls, so that is the shape of my face all done. I'm going to go back and I'm going to fix my hair, I'm going to colour it in a wee bit more, and I'm going to give myself a neck because I've not drawn on my neck, should I've not? So just using my black pen again, just bring it down, 2 lines like that, at the sides of my face, just like that, to give me a wee neck, and then the top, my top is black anyway, so I can just colour a wee bit in black underneath, just like that, to represent my t-shirt. Okay, boys and girls, so using my mirror, I'm going to go back and add all my finishing touches. And then we'll compare a photo of my face and a photo of my drawing and see how close I was. And you could do the same. Okay? I'm going to finish. I'll see you soon. Okay, boys and girls, so this is my finished drawing and this is my face, so that is our first activity all finished for today. I will be seeing you later on for activity number 2. See you later.